with an automatic transmission. This coupe, with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features dual front airbags and fog lights. Safety features include OnStop, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, and keyless entry. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.